Hello friends, today I am feeling good for my Hero Electro. I discovered today my Electro enjoying 3 years of journey with me. It looking cool day by day. Yes, some problem I faced but it never disappointed me. No high maintenance, no petrol, minimum cost of travel. Like this tire. Even don't had to replaced. But some rust occurred on my bell, but it's running cool. And my switchboard cover as compact as my battery life. After 3 years, now also getting 25 km per charge. It's also cool. The neck is smooth and the neck balls are unchanged. Nowadays, it's making a little bit noise, but its torque and speed is still same as new. Brake shoes are to be replaced within every 2 months. And once I had to change whole brake system. And it's so costly. Overall, I am happy with my Electro. And I speak loudly, it is not a sponsor video. I ran it in rainy season, high temperature, used rough, carried another person on its carrier, and carried heavyweight cement bag.